Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the clutch master cylinder on a Ford Ranger. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a flare nut wrench set, a fluid catch pan, and safety glasses. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, locate the clutch master cylinder, typically found on the firewall, close to the brake booster. Make sure you have fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid ready for the new system. Now, let's remove the old master cylinder. Begin by using a flare nut wrench to carefully disconnect the hydraulic line from the cylinder body. Have a fluid catch pan positioned underneath to collect any dripping brake fluid. Next, move inside the cabin and detach the pushrod from the clutch pedal assembly. Finally, unbolt the two mounting nuts that secure the master cylinder to the firewall from the engine bay side. With the old cylinder removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new master cylinder onto the firewall studs from the engine compartment. Secure it firmly with the two mounting nuts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque. Inside the vehicle, connect the pushrod to the clutch pedal assembly. Finally, attach the hydraulic line to the new master cylinder, ensuring a snug and leak-free connection. The final crucial steps involve bleeding and testing. First, fill the master cylinder reservoir with fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Next, you'll need to bleed the clutch system to remove all trapped air bubbles. This is often a two-person task. Thoroughly check all connections for any signs of fluid leaks. Finally, test the clutch pedal for proper feel and engagement, ensuring smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.